Alright, as we had discussed earlier, I had another problem where you see here my overhang over this part of the wall, it's not cool, it's not working. So the only way to really fix that is to extend this overhang up here, this part of it, just to go ahead and bring it all the way out even with this. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to go in and add, if you see here as this comes down, you have a gap right in here where there's no roof. I want there to actually be some roof there just for aesthetic reasons, if anything. What I'm going to do is, I'm in 3D, my 3D view, and what I'm about to do, you have to do in 3D. So I'm going to go to front to give me a really good front view. And actually I skipped a step. I'm going to go to level 1. Yeah, let's go to level 1. And I'm going to make a, I'm going to go to level 2 and make a new plane. Because I'm going to draw something. See, it's sticking out here. So I want to, I'm going to place that plane right along here. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to go to the reference plane tool, click on that, save my project, and I'm really just going to draw the plane all the way across here. I'm going to click it to name it, and I'm going to call this overhang repair. And that's just the funny way that I name my stuff on here. Okay, so that plane is there. So I've placed that plane right here. You can't see it. It's not something you can actually see, but it's going to allow me to draw on that. So I have this plane. I am going to go up here to component, and I'm going to do this as model in place. I'm going to click model in place. And this is going to be in the roof category, the family category. Click OK, and I'm going to call this overhang repair also. Okay, and now I go up here to set the plane that I want to draw on. So I click on that, and I pull down this little thing here. It says name the plane, and right here, overhang repair, and click OK. Now I'm going to start drawing with a model. No, wait. I'm going to do an extrusion. So I'm going to click on extrusion. And it's already set for the line tool, so I'm good to go. And I'm just going to draw a line, a closed loop, if you will, over all of this. There. Right there. Here, I think I messed that up on the other one because I couldn't see that line. There, and then lock it back in right here. So I've got my complete loop. Click the green arrow, okay, and the depth is 1 foot. I'm not sure if that's going to be right or not. I'll know here in just a second. So I'm going to orbit around. Okay, oh yeah, it's going to have to come out 18 inches, obviously. Remember, that's how I did my overhang. So I changed that depth to 18 inches. Look around here, and there we go. It's fixed, but I need to change this material also. Material right here. And I'm going to go to asphalt shingle. Click OK. Now it is going to look a little off as far as discolored. It's not going to be, well, no, it is pretty much colored the right way. That's been repaired. We fixed that, and now I'm going to add these little blocks right down here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the same drawing plane, but I'm going to reverse the offset. It's going to be a negative number. Go back to my front view here. That's why it didn't work right. Still not working. And I'm just going to manually, okay, I'm going to turn off shading. So my memory, maybe eating up my memory here a little bit. So I'm just going to move it manually. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some more modeling. model in place. It's going to be roof. Okay. I'm just going to put this one Eve. I'm going to set the layer that I'm going to draw on that layer right there, the same reference plane overhang. I got to do an extrusion. Depth is going to be 18 inches. And actually I need to make this negative 18 inches because I want it to extrude backwards going the other way. And I'm going to draw this one. Okay, and clicking the green check mark. And finish. I want to actually add some shading to it. And there we go.